Hey guys, welcome back to the Easy Auto channel. Yeah, I have this like a 2013 Chevy Impala. You have a check engine light, and I plug in the scanner. It show P0017, the camshaft to crankshaft position sensor, I believe. Bank 1 on the exhaust cam, and P0024 is the exhaust camshaft position performance on bank 2. All right, I'm not sure is the just a sensor problem on the exhaust cam in bank 1 and bank 2, or the timing chain stretch. I really don't know. Let's get some data, take a look. I need to figure out how to do that. So go back. Maybe look at some, maybe try active tests. So let's see. Right here, I have a bank 1 exhaust cam actuator and bank 2. So I'm going to try bank 1 exhaust cam. Okay, shift the park, neutral, set the parking brake. I did, and then block the rear view, start the engine and idle. Okay, let me start the vehicle. Okay. Let's see. Now the command cam position 0. I'm at bank 1 exhaust 1, so it will be this one right here. Let's see if I increase. So I have 5-degree demand, and okay, around 5-degree, moving about 1 degree based on this one. The variant seems okay. Let's try 5 more. Okay, it's not bad. Let's go to bank 2 exhaust. Okay, and try to increase the cam by 5-degree, and look at, wow, it's pretty stable. Oh, nope, I take it back. Kind of same like bank 1, maybe a little bit more noisier based on the variance. On bank 2 is still plus and minus 1, sometimes plus and minus 2 degree compared to the demand value. Let's try at 5 more degrees, so 10. Oh, what happened? It timed out somehow. Yeah, time out. Alright, I need to replace the exhaust sensor, cam sensor. I think one here, this is maybe bank, yeah, I think that's bank 2, yeah, because I got the, yep, that's bank 2. Bank 1's like right here. 2 sensors. I could be wrong, but both should give me the code, so I'm going to replace both. It's supposed to have a little blue tab here, but it's broke off. But the good thing is they have a little notch inside, so I can use like a small flathead screwdriver to push it. You see the blue tab come out, and now I should be able to I'm just like this small hose plier, but be gentle, right? The plastic's really brittle on this engine. And it has like a 10mm bolt on the bottom. right here. Oh, it's tight. Yeah, be gentle. Like this thing's like sitting there for a while. Okay, at least I got it out. That's good. Okay. Alright, and here's the new one. Oh, man, the glare is horrible. And then here's the part number somewhere over here. So am I using a GM part also? Yeah, they look identical. Alright, let's install the new one. Okay, it's in and it's sit flush with the head. That's good. Alright, so now I can install the bolt. Maybe we need to do a little bit adjustment. Alright, the torque spec should be like a, I don't know, couple foot-pound, like 10 Newton-meter. I'm just making it snug. I think that's good enough. Alright. Alright, I hear the click. And then push that blue piece back in. Yeah, it works. Alright, now the one on the back is somewhere here. I think I need to remove the power steering reservoir. Well, not remove, just like loose it up and then move it on the side. Yeah, they're both 10 millimeter. Oh, I have one on the back. Oh, I have one here too, so three. 10 millimeter. So it should, yep. And just put it aside. So, man. Yep, this is the sensor I want to replace. I hope you can see it. Like, here is like, it's so hard to see. It have a notch in there. It's the blue color for the blue plane. try to like push it out with a small screwdriver. Alright, I think I got it. Yeah, because this blue tab is like really brittle, so I prefer pushing the nut inside there. Okay, so now I push it out. Let's see. It's pretty tough. So I pretty much just my thumb pushing the pin. This is like a plastic tab in, and use my two finger from another side, just like lift it up. 10mm bowl on the bottom. Come on. Got it. Alright, so here's the part number. Alright, let's look at the sensors side by side. So this is old one, there's a new one. Yeah, they look identical. Okay. This time I put a little bit of oil on the O-ring for like installation. Hope it will be easier to go in. Yeah, it does. It's easier with a little bit of like a motor oil. So make sure sit flush. Yeah, seems like it. Okay, let's double check. Make sure everything's it's in there. So now I can install the 10mm bolt. Yeah, the torque spec on this should be light, like 10, should be like just a 10mm. It's good enough. And then put the plug back in. It's not sit all the way. Why? Oh, because the blue tab somehow. Okay. Yeah, make sure I can install the blue tab. Yeah, this blue tab, make sure that is all the way out. So now when I'm pushing, I should hear a click now. Yep. And now I can push this blue pin back. It's good. Everything's tight. Now put the reservoir back. Okay, and then one here. Don't drop it, don't drop it. The one on the side. Alright, I'm gonna snug all of them to 10mm. I think it's like 7 foot-pounds, something like that. Yeah, should be enough. Alright, let's see. I changed the bank 1 and bank 2 exhaust cam sensor. Let's increase it to see. Okay. It's pretty good. Plus and minus 1 degree. It's pretty stable most of the time. Okay. I think the sensor kind of fix it. I make sure I slew everything back to 0. Yes. Let's go to exhaust cam bank 2. Okay. Let's give about 5 degree of cam. Before it's like a plus and minus 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think it's good for now. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.